family off this thing. It's a smaller tree I found down out here in the woods. I got the pieces already put in my bag. Stuff smells it's strong, like turpentine for real. Whatever how you want to pronounce it. Man. Yeah. This has been covered in about a pretty bit of snow all winter. Just now thawing out. Just trying to mess with it, getting our edge off. Anyway. Oh, strong stuff. Thought I'd show y'all what I'm doing today out here. Messing around with the property. Enjoying it while it's getting warm. It's about time. I'm sick of this snow. Snow's great. It's time for it to go. Time for it to go. Enjoying nature. Still got snow out here in the woods, but it's going. At least it ain't that deep stuff, and I can walk out here and do stuff. I got a few campsites I'm picking out. Build me a little survival bush camp, whatever you want to call it. Maybe down by the lake down there. I don't know. We got like 2 acres down there by the lake. On the lakefront. I don't know. I'll be getting out here a lot this summer and start building my little shack, I guess. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all later.